Contractors, what if I told you the IRS just took away one of your most misunderstood deductions? And if you're not ready, you could be paying way more tax this year. So quick punch, entertainment expenses. Think client golf, games, ballpark. They're still not deductible. But now some meals you thought were deductible might also disappear starting in 2026. So in this episode, we're going to break this down so you don't leave money on the table. So let's get started. So in a nutshell, what happened? The One Big Beautiful Bill Act, also known as the OBBBA, got passed in July 2025. It extends and updates a lot of tax rules, but importantly to us, it upholds and clarifies entertainment and meal deductibility rules. So for contractors planning 2026 and beyond, this matters. So let's talk about entertainment expenses first. Entertainment expenses such as tickets to sporting events, theater, concerts, golf outings, fishing trips, these are all not deductible. That's been true since the Tax Cuts and Jobs Act in 2017, but the OBBBA keeps it that way. So yes, you can go network, build relationships, but from a tax deduction standpoint, unfortunately, the cost stays with you. So is there an exception to this? And yes, there is. If meals are purchased and invoiced separately from entertainment and are not inflated, and if they meet other IRS rules, you may be able to deduct the meals portion. So we'll get more on that in a little bit. So let's talk about business meals. Even though entertainment is out, business meals are still 50% deductible. But the conditions that need to be met is that the contractor or employee needs to be present, there's documented business purpose, expenses aren't lavish, and meal cost is separately stated from entertainment costs. So the main thing is you want to separate the bill. If you take a client out to dinner before a game, make sure the meal is billed separately from tickets or golf fees. So under the OBBBA, many employer-provided meals and on-site food that used to be 50% deductible will be completely non-deductible starting January 1, 2026, unless they fall under very narrow exceptions. So examples of expenses that could become non-deductible: snacks or coffee for crews on-site, formerly convenience meals, company cafeteria meals, on-site catered food for training. So if you've got big crews and you routinely feed them while on-site, you may need new tracking or classifications to preserve your deductions. So what are the exceptions to being able to deduct meals that you should know of? So although entertainment is out of the question, meals took a big hit as well. Business meals are still 50% deductible if rules are followed. Holiday parties and employee appreciation events can be fully deductible if they benefit non-officer owners of the company. Some food and beverage sold to the public or in specific industries, like fishing operations, retain 100% deduction. So these are very rare, but they still exist. So in terms of substantiation, what do you still need to keep? The IRS always wants to know the amount spent, date and place, business purpose, and business relationship of attendees. No sloppy receipts, no guessing, just document everything. Just usually keep a receipt. I always say take a Google or Apple photo snapshot of the receipt, anything over $75, retain that for your records. And if there are any other calendar invites, flyers for an event, things like that, retain that as well. So what are some actionable tips for contractors? Keep meals and entertainment charges completely separate. Review how you classify crew meals and client meals. Tell your bookkeeper to update your accounting system in QuickBooks or your other general software. Plan holiday parties and appreciation events to maximize deductions, and talk with your tax professional before year end to make sure you preserve as much deductions as you could. So again, don't assume ballpark tickets are deductible, don't bundle meals with entertainment without an itemized bill, and be careful feeding your crews on site without a plan to preserve those deductions. So if you want help reviewing your meals and entertainment policies before the tax year ends, our calendar link is down in the show notes. So this is something we do. We do tax planning for our clients to help minimize their tax bill to the extent possible. So I hope you found this helpful and see you in the next one.